To begin this step, your field should be completely marked. You should plan to install the rebar on your field at the same time you post your flags on the rebar. Remember, don't leave exposed rebar on your field as it can be very dangerous. Depending on the size of your field, yellow safety installers have been included. These make the process of driving the rebar simple and safe. You may want to order more installers. The more installers you use, the quicker your field will go up. You may want to have a group of volunteers who keep a continual supply of rebar delivered to the installers. The first step is to take one rebar and position it on a white dot. Next, slip the safety installer over the rebar and slam it down. Depending on the force you apply, you will want to continue to hammer the driver over the rebar until the driver touches the ground. Now make sure that the rebar is vertical and straight by pushing or pulling on it. This is a process that will need to be continued throughout the event, as flags can be pushed or pulled, making the field look sloppy. And here's your final step. Slip the finished flags over the installed rebar, again adjusting them as you go. As you can see, the best effect is accomplished with straight rows and upright flags.